So let's try out this gel remover. I grabbed this on Amazon and it says it removes gel in less than 5 minutes. So we're going to put it to the test. I'm going to do just a basic 4-coat gel application. I did my base coat. I'm going to go in with 2 coats of gel polish and then a top coat. I'll leave all the products somewhere. It's the Model 1's HEMA-free gel base and gel top, and the Melody Susie Fleur-Oui plant-based gel polish. As you can see, I cured each layer. They're perfectly cured, super hard. The instructions on the gel remover says to file gently the top of the gel to remove the shine so the stuff can like penetrate down in there, and then apply the remover. I did a pretty generous coat. I just did 3 swipes across the nail, and this is going to be super time-lapsed. I sped this up like crazy, but I did time it, and it took less than 2 minutes for all of this to transpire. Look at the way it lifted the gel polish right off my nail. I'm going to nudge this off, and it even came off like in one piece. My mind is totally blown right now. I don't know how safe this is for your nails. I'm not a nail tech. I can't tell you what to use on your nails. What I can tell you is that this worked beautifully, and I have 0 nail damage.